a software services company posted strong Q1 results with profit tripling on the back of new enterprise win, improved team efficiency and growing AI-led projects. It is now expanding in North America and Europe while building a large IT park in Indore to support the long-term growth. Meanwhile, a commercial vehicle maker saw profits rise 44% as cargo sales surged, supported by replacement demand and infrastructure activity. A planned majority acquisition by Mahindra & Mahindra could strengthen its position in the heavy vehicle segments. Both the companies are moving ahead, one through tech-driven expansion and the other one through strong sales and a potential strategic partnership. हाय एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एडिशन ऑफ नॉइसमेकर, जहां पर हम चीजें सिंपल रखकर फोकस करते हैं उन कंपनीज पर जो कि अक्सर स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं होती बट दे हैव अ रियली गुड ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल इन द लॉन्ग रन। आई एम सैजल अग्रवाल, इक्विटी रिसर्च एनालिस्ट एट डेस्वेलाडो एडवाइजरी, और आज हम बात करेंगे ऐसी ही दो कंपनीज के बारे में जो कि अपने बिजनेस में सॉलिड प्रोग्रेस कर रही हैं एंड इफ द करंट ट्रेंड्स रिमेन इंटैक्ट दे माइट कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो इवन फर्दर। बट बिफोर जंपिंग टू द कंपनीज, फर्स्ट लेट्स सी द डिस्क्लेमर. So any discussions, facts or writings provided here are for informational purposes only and do not constitute any buy or sell recommendation. So please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Now let's move to the first company. So the first company is InfoBeans Technologies Ltd, which provides software development services in two main areas. One is the product engineering, where it helps to design, build apps and software, and the second one is digital transformation, where it upgrades the old system, works with cloud technology and improves user experience. The company reported strong start to FY26 with revenue rising 23% year-on-year to 124 crores and PAT coming in at 23 crores, marking a threefold increase over the previous year. ये performance mainly driven थी by strong regional demand and cost optimization efforts across key verticals. Growth during the quarter was supported by an addition of 6 new clients, including 3 large enterprises. Improved team utilization का impact clearly दिखता है in operating margins, with EBITDA increasing 89% year-on-year to reaching 36 crores. The company is now focused on scaling business from its base of 32 large enterprise clients, out of which 14 are Fortune 500 firms. साथ ही में sales presence expand किया जा रहा है in Canada and Nordic regions to capture more strategic accounts. Internally, efforts are being made to improve delivery efficiency through AI-based tools like Gen AI and company's in-house platform like Qlo. Stronger client relationships, better acquisition and automation-led productivity के combination से company का goal है sustained growth deliver करना, especially as it expands deeper into the North America and Europe. Talking about company's outlook, it is now aiming to build steady revenue streams by offering paid client projects as well as proprietary tools like Xpona. Currently 3 ऐसे projects active हैं along with multiple pilot programs under evaluation. ये अप्रोच कंपनी के लिए एक लॉन्ग टर्म डिफरेंशिएटर बन सकता है, स्पेशली इन टुडेस कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फ्रंट की बात करें तो कंपनी इज डेवलपिंग अ 4 लाख स्क्वायर फीट आईटी पार्क इन इंदौर ऑन अ 50-year लीज एग्रीमेंट, और इस मूव का प्राइमरी गोल है लॉन्ग टर्म रेंटल कॉस्ट रिड्यूस करना और सपोर्ट करना मार्जिन एक्सपेंशन ओवर टाइम. It also enhances company's positioning while bidding for long-duration enterprise contracts, as it reflects operational stability and a firm long-term commitment to key markets. ये investment execution capability और client trust दोनों को strengthen करता है. Now let's move to the second company. SML ISUZU Ltd. The company mainly makes and sells light commercial vehicles like small trucks, vans, and medium commercial vehicles like mid-sized trucks, buses used for goods and passenger transports. In Q1FY26, company reported 13% year-on-year revenue growth, reaching 846 crores, while net profit rose 44% to 67 crores. ये performance largely driven थी by 12.5% increase in total vehicle sales during the quarter. Within this, cargo vehicle sales saw a sharp 46% jump, whereas passenger vehicles growth remained modest. कार्गो वॉल्यूम्स का जो सर्ज जून में देखने को मिला वो मेनली रिप्लेसमेंट डिमांड और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लिंक ट्रांसपोर्ट एक्टिविटी के स्टेबल फ्लो से सपोर्टेड था. सेपरेटली महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा ने अनाउंस किया इंटेंट टू एक्वायर अ मेजॉरिटी स्टेक इन द कंपनी, और डील को रेगुलेटरी क्लियरेंस मिल चुकी है और अब फाइनलाइजेशन के प्रोसेस में है. This acquisition aligns with Mahindra's strategy to strengthen its presence in the heavier commercial vehicle segment और ये move group के long term portfolio expansion को भी reinforce करता है. Talking about the outlook of the company, the broader commercial vehicle industry may face some near-term pressure due to slower infrastructure execution and subdued e-commerce trade. लेकिन medium term में factors like vehicle replacement cycle, road development और public sector investment demand को support करने वाले हैं. If Mahindra proceeds with the acquisition and follows through with both capital and operational support, the company could gradually expand its product portfolio and improve its market share over time. ये strategic backing से business को scale करने के लिए नए opportunities मिल सकती है. So the company is also preparing for the transition towards e-vehicles or electric vehicles, especially in city-based transport, जहाँ पर government schemes like FAME2 they are likely to support the early adoption. इस ट्रांजिशन का गोल है अपकमिंग ईवी डिमांड को टैप करना while aligning with the broader shift in sustainability mobility. At the same time, rising urbanization or higher demand for school transport and public mobility, they both are contributing to growth in bus and special purpose vehicle segment. और कंपनी ने पहले से ही ऑपरेट किया है in areas like refrigerated vans, garbage collection vans, water tankers और अब प्लान है इन कैटेगरीज में और ज्यादा एक्सपैंड करने का. Now, this strategic diversification will help to spread the risk across vehicle types and strengthen the company's position in institutional and municipal sales channel. Now, let's review some of our previous picks which we covered in our previous Noisemakers. So, first we have is Gabriel India Ltd, which is up by 17.6%. Ahluwalia Contracts India Ltd, which is up by 9.5%. Travenue Technology Ltd, which is up by 26.1%. Aurionpro Solutions Ltd, which is up by 9.9%. And lastly, we have DEE Development Engineering Ltd, which is down by 5.7%. Now let's see the QR through which you can access all the previous coverage which we covered recently. Now let's move to the summary of today's company which we included in our Noisemaker. So first we have is InfoBeans Technologies Ltd, where the company started FY26 with strong Q1 results with revenue up by 23% year on year to 124 crores and PAT jumping 200% year on year. Then SML ISUZU Ltd, where the company reported strong financial performance in Q1 FY26 with revenue increasing by 13% year on year to reaching 846 crores and net profit rising 44%. So that's it for today's edition of Noisemaker. और अगर आपको ये breakdown informative लगा हो तो you can scan the QR code to read the full report, and we'll be back soon with more simple and clear market updates. Until then, stay curious, stay ahead and stay informed.